Hello and welcome back. If you happen to work on computer regularly or deal with others who usually work on computer, you cannot but find some A4 size papers handy on the desk, in the drawer or the paper rack, and at last as a crumpled form in the dustbin. So today we will talk about the uniqueness of the A4 size papers and what has made it an integral part of our lives. So let's not waste our time and let's get started. There are many paper sizes like crown, demi, imperial, royal, and fullscape. But production and consumption of A size paper has grown in recent years like a boom. The first significant fact about A size paper series is that its aspect ratio or the breadth to length ratio is 1 is to root 2, which is constant as well as unique. Let's take an example of A4 size paper and then we will look at the chart of the A size paper series. As we have seen the aspect ratio, which is the breadth to length ratio and which is 1 is to root 2, we can see that the A4 size paper having the dimensions 210 mm into 297 mm fits perfect. When we multiply 210 mm into root 2, we get 297 mm, which is the aspect ratio of 1 is to root 2 or the breadth is to length ratio. So this is the uniqueness of the A series size paper, and now we will look at the chart of the A series paper size. You can say that the standard paper size is A0 to A10, A0 being the largest of all and A10 being the smallest, but you can see the aspect ratio, breadth to length ratio remains constant, which is 1 is to root 2. The standard based on formula 1 is to root 2 was the only standard which made it possible to make enlargements or reductions of images on the Xerox or the photocopier machine without any cuts or without leaving unused space on the paper. So this is a very unique feature and it is perfectly suitable for the Xerox or photocopier machines, which was later adopted by it. So now let's dig deeper. The first most fascinating fact about A size paper series is that breadth of A0 becomes length of A1 and the hierarchy goes on and on. The second most fascinating fact is that the breadth of A1 is half the length of A0. So let's take an example according to the table. A0 has breadth of 841 and length of 1189 and A1 has breadth of 594 and length of 841. So here the breadth of A0 becomes the length of A1 and the breadth of A1 is 594 is the half of length of 1189. When we divide it by the 2, you can see the results. So finally, after joining the previously two shown hierarchies together, you can see that the size of A1 is half the size of A0, the size of A2 is half the size of A1, the size of A3 is half the size of A2, and so on till the A10. New series created called The Secret, which will reveal the science behind the things we use in our day-to-day lives. So if you like me to continue this series, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe the video and see you next time.